Anxiety Part 1. There are a number of very different approaches to anxiety. I'll discuss some very specific tactics and some broader lifestyle changes. There was a monk from Canada who used to suffer from severe anxiety and panic attacks. He suffered for a very long time trying to solve the problem until he came to a powerful realization. He realized that the anxiety was not actually the problem. The real problem was his reaction to the anxiety. The problem was his attitude rather than the anxiety itself. The problem was aversion to the anxiety, ill will towards the anxiety, hatred or anger towards the anxiety. What he needed was a quality called equanimity, an attitude of acceptance of what comes. Equanimity is particularly useful when your mind is overstimulated. Rather than feeling the need to change the situation, to control the situation, or to get out of the situation, he needed an attitude of embracing it. Broadening your understanding of loving kindness or goodwill is helpful here. The monk had ill will towards his anxiety, so part of his solution was to have goodwill towards it. You shouldn't limit your loving kindness to other living things. Have loving kindness towards situations and states of mind. Otherwise, your ill will can actually feed and exasperate your anxiety.